Sorry that you can't see anything, but this flashlight, um, we lost electricity, I lost internet, uh, I'm home alone, which really, really sucks, and I don't know what to do, because, you know, my mom had to go to work. I'm praying and hoping she gets off early, and for the people on Discord, my friends, who told me to stay safe, the sirens went off, and I didn't know what to do. The news was confusing me, so I called my middle brother, and he told me that it's not around our area, we'll be okay, just go to the bathroom, be safe. I said, well, call me if I need to go straight to the bathroom. Then he ended up coming over, which I was so happy about because I was freaking. And then I was praying and hoping that he would stay with me for the rest of the night, or at least invite me over to his house until tomorrow when my mom gets off work, she could pick me up. Her phone is dead, which no wonder why she didn't take it with her, but she should have took her phone and the charger with her, and then she could have, probably if they were hiding in the basement or wherever they were hiding at her work, she could have plugged it in and charged it, and then called me or let me know what's going on or what to do, or because I told her, I said, if you leave and the sirens go off, I'm going to be a nervous wreck. I'm going to be freaking out. I won't know what the fuck to do. And the TV started messing up, and then I had to turn off my laptop because it only has 2-hour charge. And not only that, I have no internet, no phone service, and my computer, I thought, oh, I could just I'll watch a movie on my portable DVD player until, because it has a 4-hour charge. No, it's dead. Like, what the fuck? How did it die? Don't know. I mean, I could listen to music because I do have my iPod. I got my tablet where I can play a game at least. I mean, play games. But I'm bored as fuck and I don't know what to do. And so my middle brother had to call my older brother, who was not letting anybody leave, and they're stuck in the basement. And then my brother says, okay, it's over with. I'm gonna leave. And I said, please don't go. The sirens are still going off. I'm freaking out. I don't even care at this point if I can watch Little People Big World or Seven Little Johnsons. Because I can probably find those, hopefully, pray the Lord, on demand whenever we get internet and the computer or the electricity back. But it's pretty much out for everyone because nobody's Wi-Fi is working. But what really sucks is I wish it was going to kick back on, because if it doesn't kick back on, then I'm going to have to sleep in the dark and deal with all that bullshit. And then hopefully the next day they will, I hope, get it back going. Or me and Mom going over to my middle brother's house to hang out, or me and Mom will have to get a hotel, bring our computers and stuff with us, and stay at a hotel for a while until they get electricity back on, TV, and the TV back on at our house, because I'm bored as fuck. I don't know what else to do. And I was crying, and then he left me instead of inviting me over to his house. He should have invited me over to his house and let me stay at his house until the next day, so that I know everything's, so I'm not home alone and stuff, because I'm really scared. And I hope our internet works soon. I mean, the rain stopped and everything. I had some neighbors that was like, well, do you know about the weather and what's going on? So I was trying to listen to that, and then she was like, well, we don't have a basement. Do you mind if we have to? Can we come and stay at your house for a little bit, and the guy's like, yeah, sure, bring the bunnies out. I don't know if you can see that. But what sucks is the tornado, they said, is between where my grandpa lives and where I live, and I'm like, oh shit. And then they said it was between where my aunt lives and somebody I used to work with, and somebody I work with, and me. And I'm like, oh shit. And I got this portable fan that I can just fan myself with. My brother's like, just open some windows for some light. And I was like, no. I don't do that when I'm home alone. And he goes, light some candles. I'm like, and start a fire, no thank you. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's the fan I'm talking about. And I'm just freaking out. I don't know what else to do. And my friends are like, well, make sure you stay safe and you let us know what's going on. And I said, well, if I have no internet, I can't let you know what's going on. But when I get internet, I'll let you know. But I was playing Sims 4 and I had to get off of that. And if I have to and there's no internet tomorrow, I might just get on my computer for because it's only 2 hours of a charge, and watch maybe a movie or some TV shows that I have on there, or I might do some editing for a little bit, and then once my computer's, I can only do that for like an hour, and then once my computer says an hour, I'm turning it off just in case we need it. Just wish my mom knew her phone was gonna die and could have started having it charge, get some juice into it, but I just hope my grandpa was okay and my aunt. But I just wish my brother didn't leave me home by myself during all this. And I wish work would be like, okay, it's over with. I want you guys to stay safe. Instead of going back to work, I'll let you guys come home. My mom should have been like, I really need to take PTO right now and go check on my daughter. She's probably freaking out. She's home alone and she doesn't know what to do. And I need to go see what's going on over at my house, because I don't have a phone on me to call and find out. So please, let me take PTO and come home. Or at least let them all just leave. Or at least let my older brother leave so he can be at the house and we can figure out what to do. Because there's no electricity, and plus he can tell me what it looks like outside, and I hope maybe since electricity is down for a lot of people, they will come out here and fix it, like right now, because when I did have internet, I saw the weather, and the weather said that it was going to be severe until like 7, and then just scattered after that, and then it'll be done by 9, but after that, my brother said there was a tornado at the campgrounds, and so that's why he came over with his dog, so I couldn't get the cats into the bathroom and stuff, because the dog would just go nuts. And not only that, but the cats were being annoying, getting in the way. I just don't know what else to do. I'm freaking out. And if I have to, I'll turn on some music, play my game, and just, if I have to, I'll get into my backpack, get my adult coloring book out, start coloring, maybe read a book, maybe write, maybe color, I don't know. But what did I do before there was an internet? And what did you guys do before there was a television set? Because I don't know what else to do. I wish Mom was here to make everything better, because I'm scared. Anyways, I'm going to turn this off and talk to you guys later. I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on with my weather, and that it's passed, and that I'm okay. But I seriously was screaming, oh my god, I'm going to die. I don't know what the fuck to do. I'm so scared. Because this house did have a tornado close by, and it did go down. Because the last time we had a tornado sounds go off and shit was when my dad was alive. 11 and a half years ago. And also, I thought, well, if this house goes down, then that snake has easy access. Because my mom still won't kill that fucking snake. And she wanted a picture of it. Don't know why. But I'm freaking, and I got the flashlight, but still. I just wish so hard there was a way I could, like, what would you guys do when you didn't have electricity and stuff? I mean, if I can find my cards, I could play some cards. But I don't know. I do need to find my music stuff and play that. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Later, haters. Best I can do is speak these portable speakers and my, yeah, it's half charge. It sucks. So yeah, next time I get electricity, I'm charging everything for next time. It's just that the thing with my portable is DVD player, which is right over here, is if you're not using it, it still drains the batteries. Don't know why. No point in staying up and being bored, so I'm gonna go to bed. But there's my setup. It's the next day. It's almost 10 p.m. Oh no, almost 10 a.m. Excuse me. And still no electricity, no power, nothing, and I'm bored as fuck. I played my Game Boy. I played games on my tablet. Right now I'm really into solitaire on my tablet. I'm doing pretty good with the cheats. You can't do cheats when there's no internet. I wish somebody had their internet open and not locked. That way I could use it. It just sucks. I don't want to go in the backyard and just sit and relax. It's hot as hell in the house. Cold out here, but I'm not going in the backyard, that's for sure. But, 'cause of that snake. But I wish the guys would come and fix our fucking power. I know a lot of people are out of power, but come on. I'm bored as fuck. Inside of my house, got some pretty flowers, and whatever these are.
We have to do something to make this right. What? I don't believe... Oh, no hospital alarm, just some...
That's how I gotta watch the general hospital.
Call me back.
You did it. You did it, and I remember being a little scared, but we made it.
Look at this beautiful bed of our trees in my green yard.